Hi, my name is Brian Vass. I like to tell parents that if their kids hate math, it's likely not because of a lack of math ability, but a lack of one or more of the 5 missing skill sets they're not getting at school. So in my last video, I talked about 2 of them, brain-mind learning skills and whole brain thinking skills. Because those 2 stand out more because there's more to learning and thinking than what is naturally occurring all the time. Another one is reading skills, which is pretty weird too. I mean, it's weird because what I find that it's often the best readers who can't do math. So the obvious question is, how can reading skills possibly be a problem? And the short answer to that is that we're talking about a specific kind of reading, namely reading a math textbook. And the second part is that the math textbook has become a very confusing document. So there is a way, however, to present math concepts and skills of mathematics clearly and concisely using learning and thinking skills to move it even faster. So what I'm saying is that, it's not only the reading skills, but we put the learning and thinking skills in there with it as well. So coupled with the textbook is another important element that kids are missing from their middle school math courses, and that's the preliminary skills. Really, that is centered around an idea which is a competency-based model of learning. So it's not that kids can't do math, it's that they're missing skills which they were taught in previous grades and which they need for their present work. And that's why some kids get it and others don't. Some kids remember those previous skills, and a lot of that has to do with left brain faculties, left brain abilities, and they realize that there's a need for them. But if they don't, the textbook doesn't really explain it unless you know how to read it really well. And neither does the teacher unless you know how to understand the teacher really well. So once math is presented with a clear presentation and the preliminary skill gaps are addressed, then kids say, is that all there is to it? So math actually can be fun. It has everything to do with getting the skills. If you can do something, then it's fun.